Pagod. We don't know. Hi guys. Sobrang dami kong gusto i-share. Sobrang dami ko. Dating tularan si Mami Heidi. Bye-bye. Good luck. Hindi ka mawawala ah. Lately, good afternoon kami lumalabas. Good afternoon! Hapon kami lumalabas. Kasi we are so busy with work. To the point na 5 a.m., 4 a.m. na kami nakakatulog. Even si Mommy. So, ayun. Let's go. We're heading out.
Kinuha na naman yung basura.
Ay, we. Si Daddy may gustong ipabili sa akin. Dapat ang kapalit nun, hindi siya uuwi. Guys, uuwi na siya. Wala pa kaming vlog! Wala pa akong vlog. Talaga? Tumatawad ako. Guys, narinig niyo yan. May work kasi talaga siya. Usapan talaga Sunday. Tapos nalulungkot na ako. Wala pa nga akong vlog, Daddy. Wala pa nga tayong fit check eh. Sa TikTok. Sabi nung HR, pag napanood ng HR, gano'n ha.
Naku, doble na bayad. Kanin mo raw, magbabayad din.
Talaga?
Hindi pa nga ako rin nakaka-vlog. Wala pa ako naluluto, na pa ako nakaka-grocery. Wala.
Okay, here. Itong white oh. Ano ba gusto mo? Yung white?
Pero dumi nga ito eh.
Black?
Oh, pero small. Hawang medium.
Yun yung gusto ni Daddy, guys. Ito yung suot nila. Medium yan.
Yun nga lang nga. Kaya hinahabol ko yung
Ano?
Sunday, Monday, Reta.
We're here in Donggak Station. And ang ganda pala ng station na to, guys. Kasi andito na si Gwanghwamun Square, si Anggok, and then si Insadong. Parang andito pala yung mga touristy. Nasa isang station na. Exit 3. We're going for Insadong. Let's go. Tchanan! Pagod! Welcome to Korea! We're in Insadong, Daddy. Yung mga luma-lumang houses nila.
Pero sold pa rin.
Sold pa din. As I've told you, it's a popular place for tourists. Parang historic ata tong place na to because before, during the Joseon Dynasty, di ba yung narinig nyo sa mga K-drama, Joseon Dynasty? Ito yung parang artsy culture, mga ganong village nila. So dito makakita kayo ng mga unique local finds. But now, very ano na siya ngayon, minodernize a bit because there's a lot of, you know, nice cafes and ang dami ding hotels dito. So if you are a first-timer in Korea, one of the things na I highly suggest you do, lalo na if you're a family, is to stay in this area. Kasi dikit-dikit na lahat. Lapit na ng Gwanghwamun Square, yung Bokgung Palace, Myeongdong. I think it's centrally located siya. Nandito na rin si Anggok, which is yung parang yung may mga Bokchon Hanok Village. So parang okay nung Donggak Station. The seniors are so tired of Korea's train system. Kasi halos yung ibang mga subway dito, especially the old stations, they don't have elevators. It's either you go to another exit point na ang haba ng lakad or you brave the stairs. Welcome to another episode of Where Should We Bring the Tourists? From Dangwa to Seoul, South Korea. Charing. Look guys, there's a lot of parang galleries. Ganyan yung mga makikita nyo dito. Local made products nila. National Souvenir Center. If you're into Korean history. Another store. It's an art store. Wow! Balik tayo later. Nice! Teacups. Our goal here, ito talaga, is si Gang na Myeonok, her favorite Galbijim restaurant. I bring every single person na dumalaw sa akin sa Korea. So, lagi kapag may bisita ko, guys, baka magsawa na kayo. Dinala ko si Marvin dito, si JM, even Nana, Bebo, and her family. Bring them here. I usually bring them in Myeongdong. The branch is beside McDonald's, the 5th floor. But this one is in Insadong. Pwede rin kayo here. I think red is Mamang's color. Comment down below if you agree.
You look stunning.
You look stunning in red. Last man standing. Done eating. This is the street. Parang cultural village. There's a lot of art galleries in the area. Get local finds. And now 8-minute walk from here is Angguk, one of my favorite neighborhoods here in Korea. As in, siguro kapag gagawa ko ng itinerary for a friend, I will first put her Airbnb sa Angguk and then tsaka Hongdae. Yun. Ay, ang saya ng mga gawa. Kinetic art. Oh! It's so fun to watch. Hindi siya mahal. 20,000 won. Ito nga 10,000 won lang eh. Diba in love ako sa mga stones? What? Oh my God. So cool. Siguro mga libro to from the Joseon Dynasty. Wow, vintage na mga fountain pens. Popular Cafe Onion. Finally here in Angguk. Hi Daddy, this is a popular neighborhood called Angguk-dong. Ito yung mga old traditional Korean houses. Mga sikat na cafes. We have a lot of nice local stores. Gusto. Ice cream. It's one of the streets that I love. There's a lot of quaint stores pero parang sarado sila now. May mga cute na cafes. Parang ang dami nang nagbago. Hindi na siya puro local shops, traditional local shops, mga artsy stuff. Pero meron pa rin namang mga natira. Pero dati dikit-dikit to na handmade stuff. Binili namin to guys dati, nilalagay namin sa ref. Ano to yung magnet? Namamagnet siya. And aalagaan mo. They have this. So cool.
It was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, and numbed all the pain. Show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken
Lola nyo, pagod na. I'm so happy because one of my parang local perfumery store na na-love ko before, andito pa siya. It's called Lenes. Mag-Lenes ka ba? Amoy malenes siya, guys. Hanapin natin yung favorite ko dito. Kung gusto ko pa rin siya. Ito yung mga binibili ko na. Sinasabit ko sa room before. Ito, deep forehead. Gusto ko tong smell. This is my favorite scent. Bumili kami nito before. This puzzle piece. It's a jigsaw puzzle. Most beautiful postcards I've seen so far. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. It's called The Art. Magkano itong mga postcards na to? I wanna buy. Ganda. These are the best sold postcards I've seen. Ang ganda ng mga nandito. I like this. Ang daming maganda, hindi ko alam pipiliin ko. I like this, but it doesn't look like spring. So, June and I, we went on a parang anniversary trip to Seoul. Tapos nag-aral kami paano gumawa ng kimchi. How to make kimchi. So, this is the Seoul Kimchi Academy. Yan, sa loob ng bahay na yan. You can book this via Klook. Sobrang natutunan namin lahat ng kimchi. Hindi lang yung basta-basta yung isang kimchi, no? Iba't ibang types of kimchi. They will share the recipe, ano yung mga, yung measurement. Basta maayos yung Korean lessons. Like, legit siyang kimchi lessons. And then, over here, we have a Philippines Tropical Dessert Cafe. Yung mango kaya nila, Philippine mango kaya. Carabao mango nakalagay yun. Parang gusto ko ng mango shake na tetempa ko. Cool.
Ano yan?
Pag ilalagay mo yung mainit, pag puson, ito oh. Guys, super uso sa kanila yung MBTI, no? They have something like this here. Cute cat. Dito lang siya sa may daan, guys. Hi! Gonna go to... We don't know. We're gonna eat. Let's eat tadakimasu.
Anong let's eat sa Korean?
Let's eat is mokja. Ay, ang ganda green na. Nung nagpunta kayo dito, wala pa. Bilis. Ito si Daddy.
Hello.
Si Daddy daw, hindi na uuwi. Do you like Korea?
Yes.
Finally, it was raining the whole day. Nakakainis. Nag-book pa naman kami ng parang hanbok tour. Pero since it was raining, hindi namin tinuloy kasi mababasa. And so ngayon, ang plano namin is kakain na lang kami guys. And magpo-photo booth. And then may nagustuhan daw si Daddy sa Blue Elephant.
Sa Blue Elephant.
Oo. Diba Blue Elephant yan? Chill weather. Ang galing, nag-green na. Ang saya. Oh, ang cool guys, no? Then, we're gonna go to a nice photo booth. Dito yata merong nice. Yung may video sana. Let's walk! Ang request ni Daddy for today, we're gonna eat Galbi Jim. Kasi last time, nagkamali ako. Medium lang yung in-order kong Galbi Jim. Kasi lagi ako small, so parang feeling ko yung medyo marami na. Pero, kulang pala. Large pala dapat kami. So, we're gonna eat again. Ay, ang cool! Ito pala yung story. Ah, newspaper photo booth. Ang galing! Ito yung newspaper photo booth na inaantay ko sa Paris. First time.
Malalagay ka sa newspaper.
So, mapiprint siya agad?
Let's try this.
Cute! Let's figure it out.
Snap, this is picture perfect. Really got me thinking you and I could be something. Pressed all the right buttons and now I'm such a damn tired and 여자랑 비교하는데 no competition. Sweet like a lot of Django, shit with Valentino.
Next yan, yung mga natin
너 만나고 나서 절대 놓지 않아.
We're gonna go to Photo Gray kasi I remember sa Photo Gray, siya yung photo booth na merong video na kasama. So, natitake niya rin yung actions nyo. So, ang cute lang kung may video. Come on, vamonos! Gusto mo yung payong na yan, ha? Sabi niya pa sa amin, hindi ko kayo papahiramin ng payong ko.
Pag-ulan. Sobrang ulan.
Photo booth ulit. Dito sa Korea, ganito yung uso, Daddy. Different colors. They have blue, pink, gray. Let's go. Ah, sinensa yun! Gumagalaw?
Ay, sorry.
Ay, ang cute, mami. Gumagalaw. Gawa tayong ganyan. Ang gulo. Hi, guys. Photo booth number 2. Yung singsing ko. Nahulog yung singsing ko. Pumapayat nga ako eh. Ang luwag. Sorry, babe. Ano nangyari? Oh, no.
Gold band.
Oh, yes.
Kaya pala eh.
Bakit?
Lambot eh.
Yan!
On the side next to you, no wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, could swear I thought you fell from the stars.
Ito na, ganda
Think
to.
about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around.
Oh, tapos nag-ano ko ganyan ka. Ay, ang cute. Okay, finally, let's eat. Grabe, kumukulo na yung tiyan ko sa gutom. Ang ganda ng neighborhood. Nakikita niyo ba yan?
Ako nagagandahan din.
Dito, ang ganda ng picture, oh. O, di mag-Galbi Gym tayo sa Amieta kayo.
Ako na lang sa Sarmieta.
Ano ba?
Eh kasi di ba paano mabubusog ka?
Beef nga yung gusto ni Daddy. Galbitang. That's called galbitang. Usually, yung mga galbitang pang lunch daw ng mga Koreans. Mamang, anong sabi mo?
Wow.
napawaw siya eh. Do you like it? It's yummy. My dad wants a blue elephant. Yan ba? Sukat mo. Time mo. Ganda! Yan na? Wala ka na yung iba? Pare-pares lang ba yan? Okay. So, something that I like. Wait, ang bilis kasi mag-shopping. Sure ka, yan na yun?
Oo, una na lang po.
Okay, we're gonna go up. Check pa tayo. We're here in Blue Elephant, Myeongdong. Actually, nakita niya yung magandang gusto niya sa Yeonnam. Hindi niya na siguro maalala. Kaya yung una niya nadampot yung gusto niya. So sabi ko, meron pa here. Baka may makita ka pa. Yun na lang. Wala, nice to. Say hi. Daddy, hi. Ano, Daddy? Pwede pa tayo umuwi?
Babalik na lang. Next year.
Ano next year? Nakatulog ako sa taxi. Ay, ito pala. M. Letter M. Final answer, Daddy. Bakit parang wala masyadong tao? O masyado pa tayo maaga? Kasi magbubukas pa lang daw yung counter ng 20 to 15. Pero ang saya maging maaga, guys. Dating tularan si Mami Heidi.
Photo finish yun.
Si Mami Pog ako, di ba, Daddy? Trademark yun ni Mami eh. Hindi naman niya ito papanoorin eh. Final na, Daddy? Uwi ka talaga? Guys, birthday pa naman yan. Next. Power bank lighter inside, no? Wala. Bye, Daddy!
Ako na bahala sa education.
Hindi na kita masasamahan dyan.
Ano kaya ang kailangan ko rin?
Wala.
Yung e-travel.
Wala na talaga. Daddy, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good luck. Hindi ka mawawala ah. Bye, Daddy. Going home. We're buying a ticket and pwede ang GCash card niyo. Any credit card from the Philippines. Yay! Done! Very easy lang naman siya sundan, guys. And ito pala yung presyo. Ay, nawala. 4,951. So that's around 180 to 200 pesos.
450 may deposit.
May deposit. So, ibabalik mo din. 4,451. Okay. Ay, hindi na rin to kasha. Okay, yan. Mapapakita ko pala sa inyo. Pinaka-affordable way to go to the city, especially if your hotel is in Hongdae, is to ride the train. Kasi may stop sa Hongdae.
Pindot-pindot ka.
Pindot-pindot ka. Wala na wala. Ito. Yan.
Please
And
select the
then
number of tickets and
So,
press
for
the
450.
The one
Pay
ticket.
deposit. We can pay via card. Any credit card. Ito, GCash card to, guys.
The ticket has been issued.
Yeah. So, this is 501. Pag binalik nyo siya sa kung saan kayo papunta, may mga machines doon. Ticket vending machine, parang gano'n. 501 yung mababalik sa inyo. So, huwag nyo itong iwawala. At ibalik nyo. Riding a train back home. But guys, kapag halimbawa yung hotel nyo is in Myeongdong, Dongdaemun, Insadong, mas highly recommend ko ang bus. Kasi yung mga bus humihinto doon. Yung train, meron lang kasi sa Hongdae. Pero yung train to Myeongdong wala. I mean, walang direct na airport train. Deposit refund device. Pasok nyo lang, guys. Na kayo, 501. Cool! O, diba guys, yung favorite mask natin, sikat siya talaga here. Pero, ang dami niyang ganyan, parang yellow na maninipis na cards. So, we have a newly renovated GS25 near our place. Dito tayo bumili ng t-shirt ni Daddy. Etong GS25 na to. Matagal na tong GS25. So, pagkadating ko dito, parang tinanggal siya lahat. As in zero. So, akala ko nagsara yung GS25. Tapos sabi nga namin ni Jun, okay lang, meron pa itong isang GS25 somewhere else. Tapos, biglang after 3 to 4 days, wala pang 1 week, nabuo na siya. Newly renovated GS25. And it's not the first time na na-experience ko to. Kasi yung iba ding mga construction dito, kapag yung mga restaurant, parang less than a week, tapos na. Guys, ang ganda ng finish. As As in, binaklas to lahat Even tiles. Iniba. Grabe, bibilis ng construction dito sa Pinas. Yung panahon, bibilis ng construction dito sa
Hindi
Korea.
nagtutugma yung Pinas tsaka mabilis.
Oo nga. Guys, ang dami ko experience with construction. Since nung bata ko yung pinakonstruct yung bahay, to yung mga tinayo nating mga businesses, napakatagal! So, wala lang. Aliw na aliw lang ako. And it's a collab with a football club. Parang ganun. So, last time mahaba rin ng pila dyan for the merch. Yun, remember niya, bumili tayo ng merch ni Daddy. Gusto niya yun. Gusto ni Daddy yung may mga nakalagay na Seoul, ganun, Tokyo, exclusive, yung siya lang meron. Hello everyone! Nandito ako sa isang parang playground near my house. Actually, I was editing this exact video and patapos na siya. Tapos parang feeling ko may kulang or I just really wanted to do this for the longest time. Sabi ko nga nung 6 month ko dito sa Korea. Gusto ko i-upload yung vlog and share what I've learned, how's life here moving. Hindi talaga ako ma-conversation na person kasi I feel like I'm not an expert when it comes to talking and public speaking. Pero this time around, I really wanna do this video. So sabi ko, literal guys, nag-edit ako, naglakad lang ako, pumunta ako sa isang nice na playground, nice na park. Tapos sabi ko, okay, let's do this. Nilagay ko yung camera dyan and umupo na lang ako dito. Ang dami kong gustong i-share, sobrang dami kong gustong i-share. Sobrang dami kong natutunan, sobrang dami kong realization. This time last year, I was rejected sa una kong in-applyang job. Imagine if I gave up on that. Wala ako dito ngayon. 'Di ba, nag-edit ako, tapos naisipan ko lumabas, pwede akong umupo sa park, mahangin, ang sarap ng hangin, ang linis ng playground, ang sarap tumambay, something like that. And this dream, guys, sobrang fulfilling niya. As cliche as it may sound, sobrang fulfilling niya in a sense na I'm a total people pleaser. Sobrang people pleaser ko, guys. To the highest level people pleaser ako, ganun. So, this moving abroad, leaving everything behind, not telling anyone my plans, is choosing myself. Sometimes, maybe people might think na baka selfish siya pero it's just, parang feeling ko hindi siya selfish. It's more of choosing myself, setting boundaries, and just really wanting to own my own moment. And with that move, guys, na pinili ko yung sarili ko, comes with a hefty price. Medyo mabigat na mga kapalit. Like, hindi ko na basta-basta makikita yung family ko. Or I will be far from my friends who I grew up with. And I won't be able to call them and say, uy, tara, coffee shop tayo. Kasi ako na lang mag-isa dito unless pupuntahan nila ako dito or, diba, or uuwi ako sa Philippines. But I missed a lot of birthdays, the funeral of a loved one din, and a lot of career opportunities I have to let go of. Sobrang daming kapalit, pero at the same time, I would say this is the best decision I've made for myself. When you choose yourself pala, ma-realize mo, guys, that you will lose some people. And that's okay. And when you choose yourself, malalaman mo kung sino yung mga totoong tao that will stay also. And when you choose yourself, you get to decide for yourself, which is very important. Because before, as a people pleaser, I don't get to decide. I will wait for that person to decide for me. At the same time, siguro, hindi lang naman as a people pleaser, pero more of kasi nasanay din ako na may ibang nagde-decide for me. Like si mommy, very hands-on siya sa pagde-decide for me. So, kahit lang sa simpleng saan kakain or gutom ako anong kakainin ko, hindi ko kinakayang mag-decide most of the time. So, being with myself right now, I get to learn to decide. And mas nakikilala ko yung sarili ko kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ko, hindi yung gusto ng mga tao for me. So, parang, eto pala ako eh. Gusto ko pala na itong life na to. So, parang ang saya lang. I think 3 years ago, or 4 years ago, or 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with a mental disorder that I haven't even heard about before. Seeking help is really important kasi makikilala niyo yung sarili niyo. So, I'm so happy na nagpa-doktor. Psychiatrist and psychologist, and nagpa-diagnose ako ng tama. Hindi lang yung, feeling ko may ganito ako. Parang it's important that we get diagnosed because before, all along, I thought I only had ADHD and all. Yun pala, I had schizoaffective disorder. And with schizoaffective disorder, meron pang 3 disorder na nakita sa akin, which is, hindi ko ever na-share to sa inyo. Pero promise na one day i-share ko, mag-Q&A ako and all. Pero hindi talaga ako nagiging ready ever kasi during that time when I was diagnosed, sobrang very, very hirap for me. Grabe pagtitiis ni June noon. Hindi ko talaga siya matanggap. Parang feeling ko during that time parang kasalanan ko or parang I hate myself. Parang ako yun. Parang my sickness or my disorders define me. Pero because of therapy and because the love of the people around me, I realized that it's just sickness. Hindi ako yun. Feeling ko basta ma-realize mo na wala kang ginagawang mali sa mga tao, wala kang tinatapakang tao, wala na, nahimik ka lang sa buhay mo, inaayos mo yung sarili mong life, edi walang mali dun. As long as you know na yung sakit mo, you are aware and you are trying your best every day, waking up and trying your best, I think that's okay. I also had like a bipolar disorder. So parang extremes yung emotion ko. Kaya a lot of people say, ang OA ko. So pag nakakatawa yung isang bagay, 10 times nakakatawa siya sa akin. Parang ganon. Kapag nakakasad yung isang bagay, mas 10 times nakakasad siya sa akin. So I really don't wanna watch sad movies or mga heartbreaking movies. Kasi mga 3 weeks akong heartbroken, guys. Tapos feeling ko sa akin talaga siya nangyari. Tapos yun nga, dun ko siguro parang feel ng mga tao minsan OA ako. Sample lang naman siya. And going into therapy, I realized how I got it. Paano ko nagkaroon ng ganong sakit? Because of childhood. Mga small things that happened to me growing up, nakaka-apekto siya sa mind. Napaka-importante ng childhood. Napaka-importante na yung mga kids around us, we treat them nicely or properly. Kasi yung one mali mong magagawa is makaka-apekto for the rest of their lives. One thing I realized is, you always have to be kind. People are naturally good. You always have to think na okay siyang person. Kung wala siyang ginawang mali sa'yo, di dapat wala. Ayoko nang i-overthink lahat ng bagay. Ayoko na yung parang, sabi kasi ni ganito ganyan. I hate chismis. Ayoko na ng mga chismis ganyan. Being alone here, not knowing everything is one of the best things. Because yung age ng social media and yung era natin now, parang dapat alam mo lahat, dapat ganito ganyan. And I think the best lesson I've learned is, aside from time, is the ultimate truth teller, guys. Is always choose yourself. Because no one else will choose you than yourself. And always prioritize yung life mo. Kasi you only have one life to live. And ang sakit naman, di ba, kung hindi mo gagawin yung magpapasayo sa'yo o yung mga what ifs mo. Kasi what if yun pala yung best path for you. So, moving here, guys, wala, sobrang saya ko. Ibang klaseng happiness yung nabigay nito. Ang dami niyang kapalit, yes, pero never kong ipagpapalit, guys, yung freedom, yung alone time ko dito, yung peace, yung quiet ko dito. Parang ang saya lang to enjoy life as it is. Ay, ang ganda ng weather today, ang sarap mag-walk, ang ganda ng mga dahon, super green na sila. Ay, nag-bloom na yung cherry blossom. Ay, ang sarap maglakad, ang sarap ng bagong coffee shop dito. As in, you live in the moment. A lot of people will hate you for choosing yourself or for changing who they think you are. Pero the people that loves you or the people na talagang naniniwala sa heart mo will definitely stay. And that's the most important thing. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan lahat ng tao sa mundo and hindi mo naman mapiplease lahat ng tao sa mundo. Anyway, so if you stayed till the end of this video, congratulations. I have my birthday giveaway and the mechanics are really simple. All you have to do is support my video with NCL again, one of the first brands that supported me since I made my move. And sobrang thankful ko kasi imagine a brand sending you to Europe, to a Mediterranean cruise, to experience the newest ship in the world. I'm just so thankful. And ayun, support lang sa next vlog ko with them and comment something nice or what you liked about the video, what you like about the newest ship, Norwegian Aqua, or just really appreciate the video. I think pinaghirapan ko yung video na yun, so I really hope you enjoy it as well. Yan, that's it for my giveaway. I'm giving away the latest GoPro. This GoPro is from the onboard credits that I got from NCL. I think maybe one of you would want to use it for your next travel or for your next cruise. So ayun, thank you guys for watching and I will see you on my next video.